Hi everyone, this is Midwest Grow Kits. We are here with a new product called the Tabletop Ecosphere. It's a nice compact tent. It's great if you don't have all the space for a full Ecosphere setup. It comes with a humidifier, a humidity control device. It has a carbon filter with a fan to provide air exchange, and it's nice and compact, so it'll fit on a tabletop. It folds down if you need to store it and you're not growing, but it's just a great all-around product, and today we're going to show you a little bit of it broken down and setting it up. Each Tabletop Ecosphere kit comes with an accessory bag that has everything you need to set up and get your Tabletop Ecosphere running, so we'll go ahead and dive into this bag and break down everything for you. So first up, we have our universal digital greenhouse thermometer, which allows you to easily monitor your growing conditions. And what's nice about this is that it's compatible with any of our Ecosphere tents. As long as it's plastic, you can cut a hole in the side and attach it to anything. So if you want to buy it separately, we do have it available, but it does come with the Tabletop Ecosphere, and then all you have to do is unscrew it, and then you'll be cutting a hole in the side of your tent and then just simply attaching it from the outside and then screwing it into the inside. The Tabletop Ecosphere also comes with our monsoon humidifier, and then you will need to mount the hose onto the tent. So we have a custom made tube mount that unscrews just like the thermometer, and the same idea. You can cut a hole in the side of your tent. Once again, you can use this on any of the Ecosphere products, and then you'll just be screwing it in and attaching the hose to the inside of the tent. On the back side of your instruction manual for the Tabletop Ecosphere, we've included different templates that can be used to trace where you're going to be cutting the plastic to mount either the humidifier hose, the thermometer, and then lastly the fan. Up next, we have a fan that's going to provide airflow for the mushrooms that you're growing. It's a nice small USB fan, and it also comes with a mounting bracket that just clips into the wireframe of the Ecosphere, so it's very easy to set up. Next up, we're going to mount the fan into the mounting bracket. So to do that, you're just going to fit it into the corners and then just slide it right into place, and it'll have a nice hold on your fan. It's time to mount the fan to our Tabletop Ecosphere, so we're just going to clip it onto the metal frame, popping it into place, and then you're good to go. In addition to the fan, we have a timer that it can attach to in 30-minute increments, so if you need to increase or decrease the airflow, you can do that easily with this timer. And then we also have a charcoal carbon filter that's going to help keep out contaminants and just keep your airflow a little cleaner. Up next is our digital humidity controller, which works in very high humid environments, which we know mushrooms love. What's great about this is that you can set a range on it. So if you're looking for your humidity to be about 85 to 95% or 85 to even 90%, you can set it to that 5% range. It'll kick on when it goes below it and then turn off if it goes above it. The Tabletop Ecosphere also comes with 2 filter discs that can be mounted almost anywhere on your Tabletop Ecosphere. Here we have one on the side and one on the back, and that allows for exhaust of air. And lastly, we have our mushroom lighting kit, which comes with an adapter that can fit into any extension cord, and then that allows you to give your mushrooms the correct light spectrum that they're needing. The Tabletop Ecosphere may appear small, but we want to showcase some of our products that you can fit in there and the different ways that you can configure them to get maximum yields. So first up, we've got our very popular gourmet grow bags that can fit in here. So right now I have 2 in here, but we can actually fit 2 more, totaling for 4 grow bags. And then there's still a lot of space in here, which you'll need for air exchange, and also you'll need that for when your mushrooms start to fruit. Up next, we've got our 13x9 trays, which are designed for the high humidity loving grass mushrooms. You can fit not 1, but actually 2 13x9 trays in here. Once again, there's still some space on the side that you can have your airflow. You have room for the fruiting bodies, and then you also have room to work around and harvest your mushrooms. The Tabletop Ecosphere can also hold our small 12x12 monotub cube. And since you've got a little extra space, you can also fit some cordyceps grow kits in the Tabletop Ecosphere as well. So you can do different types of species in here all together in one place. Lastly, this tabletop ecosphere can actually fit our medium-sized monotub base. So if you got mushrooms that like high humidity or high oxygen, the bottom of the medium monotub actually fits completely inside the tabletop ecosphere. And all you have to do is unscrew it. Take it out of the plastic.
Maybe,